What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to all of my premium Discord members. I want to add value to our growing community every week, and one way I thought about maybe adding value is actual live alerts on the mic, where I can actually squawk in whatever I'm seeing in real time, because sometimes I'm in these trades and it's hard for me to manage the trade while also relaying that information over to you guys in the group. So I'm going to use this microphone to go ahead and squawk anything that I see hitting our scanner that I think may be valuable. So it doesn't mean I'm going to hit all of them. It doesn't mean I'll always be available on the mic. But I am going to try to add real-time alerts when I can, when I'm here. So guys, I hope you like this feature. I'm adding it for our group to add a little bit more value. I'm thinking about adding it so we can all communicate in there. So if you guys want to do something like that where I have it available for you to also communicate in there, then I could do that as well. But for now, I'm going to do it just as myself, and I'm just going to squawk whatever I see happening in the morning, news-wise, on low float stocks, volume-wise, and resistance and support level-wise, because I'll share these charts as often as I can. But on Vario here the other day, I was testing this out, and it was just coming up to this level, and I was really looking to enter right at that break of $10. And I wanted to inform my group this, but I had the finger on the trigger and I was just ready to go. And this thing went up there, and I was lucky enough to relay the message and the information over to our group in the Discord, letting them know that I was very bullish once we passed this level, because once it broke this level, it's when I thought, okay, this is when you take the trade. So broke the level, closed above, took the trade, and that's where you can see we made a monster trade on this one. We zoom on out. This is that level here I was showing you, $10 all the way up to $15.15. Now, to be honest, I didn't nail the top of that trade, but I will be honest with you, I did very well, and I'm very happy with my returns on that one. So if you guys think that this can be any help to you and you're not already a member of our premium Discord, then I'll leave the link in the description below. You're more than welcome to join our group. If you're looking to possibly even try it maybe for a few days or a week, something like that, you're not really sure, go ahead and contact me either on YouTube or in the Discord. We do have a free Discord as well. I'll put that link in there. And you're more than welcome to reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to accommodate anybody who wants to just try these things out. So again, this is going to be our pre-market squawk. I'm going to do it probably around 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m. on. Again, it's not going to be consistently every single trade or every play. Just things that I see in our scanner. I'm just going to try to add value, let you know the float size maybe, communicate the levels of support and resistance I'm seeing, things like that. So guys, if you're already in the Discord, I will see you at 4 a.m. sharp tomorrow morning. And if not, then I'll see you guys in either Benzinga chat or wherever you're watching this from. So take care, guys.